Hello and welcome to the session. Operating in a global context. LO3. Understand how and why a business would want to operate in global markets. Why do businesses aim to operate globally? This video explores the strategic reasons behind global market expansion. Discover how businesses leverage global opportunities to thrive. Businesses go global for several reasons. They seek new markets and opportunities for diversification. Accessing a broader customer base is crucial. Companies aim to gain a competitive advantage. They also look to tap into new resources and talents. A global market is an interconnected economic system. It allows for commercial, financial, and labor exchanges. Restrictions are minimal, promoting free trade. Businesses are not isolated economically. What happens in one country can affect others. Global expansion offers cost savings and access to talent. It opens up new consumer markets. This approach supports the global economy. A strategic plan is essential for success. Companies benefit from increased competitiveness. Expanding globally is not without challenges. Cultural differences can pose significant hurdles. Regulatory environments vary across countries. Economic and political landscapes can be unpredictable. Proper planning and strategy are crucial. Entering global markets diversifies revenue streams. Businesses access larger customer bases. This leads to increased sales potential. Companies gain a competitive edge. Strong international presence enhances brand image. Global operations can reduce costs. Economies of scale lower per unit costs. Some countries offer cheaper labor and materials. This makes production more economical. Businesses can increase profitability. Global expansion provides access to unique resources. Raw materials might be cheaper abroad. Talent pools offer diverse skills. Businesses gain insights from different markets. Innovation thrives in diverse environments. Operating in multiple markets diversifies risk. Economic downturns in one area are less impactful. Stable sales elsewhere provide balance. This strategy extends product life cycles. Businesses can adapt to market changes. Some countries offer incentives to foreign businesses. Tax breaks and subsidies attract investment. Favorable regulatory environments exist in certain sectors. Businesses benefit from these advantages. Strategic entry can maximize these benefits. Global presence offers strategic benefits. Businesses can position near competitors. Joining global supply chains is advantageous. This counters domestic market challenges. Strategic foresight is essential for success. Exporting is a basic entry mode. It requires low investment. Businesses ship products to foreign markets. Local distributors handle sales. This method offers flexibility and scalability. Licensing involves granting rights to a foreign entity. This allows production and sale of products. It requires low investment and risk. However, control over quality is limited. Licensing can create future competitors. Franchising allows entities to operate under a brand. It involves fees and operational guidelines. Franchisees bear most costs and risks. This method ensures consistent brand experience. Rapid market expansion is possible. Joint ventures involve partnerships with local firms. Risks and costs are shared. Local knowledge and resources are accessed. Potential conflicts with partners may arise. Management complexities can be challenging. Subsidiaries offer full control over operations. This involves high investment and risk. Businesses gain complete market presence. Understanding local regulations is crucial. profit retention is a significant advantage. Alliances involve collaboration without equity stakes. Resources and expertise are shared. Flexibility is maintained without ownership. Misalignment of objectives can be a risk. Cooperation is essential for success. E-commerce reaches a global audience. It requires lower investment than physical stores. Scalability is a key advantage. Intense competition exists online. Logistics and regulations can be challenging. Selecting an entry mode depends on various factors. Consider the business nature and size. Market knowledge and risk tolerance are crucial. Control needs influence the decision. Long-term objectives should guide the choice. Luxury brands like YSL prioritize exclusivity. Wholly owned subsidiaries ensure brand control. Joint ventures can leverage local expertise. E-commerce offers broad reach with lower investment. Each mode aligns with specific strategic goals. In conclusion, understanding how and why a business operates in global markets is essential for successful international expansion. Businesses enter global markets to access new customers, increase profitability, gain competitive advantage, and benefit from economies of scale. Operating globally also allows organizations to diversify risk and take advantage of international resources and expertise. Understanding these motivations and approaches supports effective strategic decision-making and sustainable growth in global markets. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.